This is breaking news, in fact, that is now coming in on the gold scandal probe as accused Swapna Suresh has been brought to Thiruvananthapuram flat by NIA for collecting evidence. NIA that has been probing into the matter, and ever since this morning we've been getting you all the details as far as the gunman of the UAE attaché is concerned. Also, what he has said in front of the magistrate. Meanwhile, the Hawala link that is being probed, and most importantly, the third accused who is also being looked out for, and the notice that has been issued by the Interpol. Now, the latest being that the accused has been brought to the Thiruvananthapuram flat. Swapna Suresh, the prime accused in this entire matter, and the NIA brings Swapna to flat to collect evidence. We're trying to pick up more details on the same, and my colleague Sagai Raj will be joining us very shortly to tell us more about how exactly is this entire exercise being carried out. But for the moment, we are picking up these first details of how the accused, Swapna Suresh, has been brought to her Thiruvananthapuram flat by the NIA. All right, not too sure if Sagai Raj is still connected. I believe our editor Niranjan Narayanaswamy will also be connected with us as he is also tracking this story very closely and every development that has been coming in from day one as far as the probe is concerned. Now, this is the latest piece of breaking input that is coming in, fourth that we are bringing for you in the day, as this is big news coming in of how the NIA has brought accused Swapna Suresh to her Thiruvananthapuram flat to collect evidence. Whether they physically brought her and how exactly is this entire exercise being carried out, Niranjan or Sagai Raj will be connected very shortly to tell us more. Niranjan, what more are you picking up? So, have they taken her to the flat to collect evidence? Are we picking this right, Niranjan?
Yeah, that's the update that we're getting, that investigating agencies have brought her. They have brought her to Thiruvananthapuram, and as part of the investigation, will also take her to. Now, there was a big scandal around some of those who were involved, including the UAE acting consulate who knew about this, and even the acting secretary. The secretary was suspended last evening. Shivasankar, a few days back, he too was in the know and also helped arrange that flat. So we are told that they will be brought to this particular flat in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala's capital, by the NIA, and evidence will be collected. Essentially, she will be brought as part of the investigation process. Swapna Suresh herself was arrested from Bengaluru a few days back, and that was last week, I think, if I'm not wrong. And she was brought back to Kerala, and as part of the investigation, will be taken to that particular flat for the investigation. Now, who are the others who are involved in this case? Now, and who knew? One is, of course, Harit Nair, who was in contact in the UAE consulate. And apart from that, you had the secretary in the Chief Minister's office, Shivasankar, who's been suspended, and the gunman of the attaché. And that was another big breaking update that we had this morning, that he had said that he faced a threat, and he also gave a statement to that effect in front of the magistrate. So these are some of the updates that we're picking up this morning. And as part of the investigation, they will start from the flat, which the secretary was suspended, Shivasankar, helped arrange with some other accused in this case.
Niranjan, continue talking to us, especially when Swapna Suresh and how the NIA has access to her. So, if she will be brought back to the flat to collect evidence, clearly means that other details must also be coming from her, not just about her role, but even the other accused who the NIA is on a lookout for.
Now, as far as, the role of the Kerala government is under the scanner, and the reason why the story is getting bigger also is because the Kerala Chief Minister has contradicted himself, and that contradiction has also, come out via his statement earlier when he said that she was hired through an agency. And yesterday, the government admitted in a suspension order of this secretary who was working in the Chief Minister's office that he misused his office to make appointments, including that of Swapna Suresh. So, this is a big scandal. And many links are now emerging, because if you look at the political links itself, not just the secretary, it's not at the secretary level. I think at the diplomatic level, the UAE acting consular general, who faced questions, has left India. Of course, India would have needed diplomatic. He had diplomatic immunity, and it would have been difficult for India to question him or look into that. But his gunman, who is an Indian, who's a citizen of India and is in Thiruvananthapuram, was found yesterday with his with his wrist slit. So I think the different connections are slowly emerging. You also had the NIA looking to the Hawala angle, which is now broadening beyond Hyderabad. So these details are slowly emerging.
Absolutely, a lot of dots that still need to be joined. And on that note, Niranjan, many thanks for getting us these details.